Hello everybody. My name is Melih. I'm an English teacher at Hacı Sabancı Anatolian High School, and we are here for an Erasmus Active World Citizenship. And we have been working together with the students and teachers all together for Istanbul Encounter. And at the end of the week, we will prepare a final product, which is a front page for a newspaper. So we choose this product because we want to create a task-based activity for the students. And in the activity, we have to think about the content, we have to think about the process, and we have to give some clear-cut instructions for them to create their final products. So the idea for the final product is to gather information about social inclusion throughout the week. So we will try to provide them some places. We will try to make them meet some people whom we think inclusive. And also we will try to offer them the city of Istanbul to observe, to talk to people, and to witness and encounter interculturality. So this will be this in fact was their product. So throughout the week they have met some people, they have been in places which we believe inclusive, and they gathered information. They took photos, they talked to people, they took notes, and they asked questions to the teachers from the Turkish team, and they collected information. And today I can see that they have really taken notes, they have really taken photos and wrote their impressions about what they have seen and what they have witnessed throughout the encounter. And we divided them into 6 groups, into 6 mixed groups, and they will be working separately so that we can differentiate the content. So each group can have or can reflect a different perspective about the topic of the Istanbul encounter. When I'm walking around them, I can easily see that they have different perspectives on the encounter. And also, we didn't want to put it on the digital because we want them to reflect their own ideas together with their own handwritings, drawings, and other things so that they can put themselves into the paper. So we asked them to relate the topic with themselves so that why is it important for them. For example, they have waited almost 1.5 hours to enter the Hagia Sophia. So what is the motivation of waiting 1.5 hours to enter a place? And together with them, they have seen many other people waiting patiently to enter those important historical and religious places, and nobody seemed unhappy about this. So what is the motivation? We want them to reflect these ideas behind waiting in long queues patiently and finally achieve what they want to see. And so I can see on their papers that they are really reflecting on it. They are really thinking about it. So we want them to think about it. And reflect requires deep thinking. So that I can, even from the titles, for example, one group choose a title with the initials of the countries, but at the same time it means tiles, like the Blue Mosque tiles. So that we can understand that they grasp what they have seen throughout the week. And they are trying to prepare their front page newspaper. They will prepare 1 major story and 2 minor stories, and they have to relate with their experience. So we believe that this will give them a chance to improve their creativity. This will give them a chance to have deep thinking about what they have seen, what they have witnessed and experienced. Because most of the time, life becomes very fast and we don't have time to sit and think about and inhale or understand what we are doing and what we are seeing or any kind of thing. So there's no time for thinking right now in today's world. So we want them to think about it. We want them to deep thinking and understand and try to find a new pathway for themselves for the future.